टेस्ट कर लीजिए, अभी रुक जा।
नमस्कार, सभी को नमस्कार और स्वागत है। अब फिर शुरू कर लीजिए। लेट अस स्टार्ट।
जी जी नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
शुरू करें सर?
यस यस
जी नमस्कार। राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालय शिक्षा संस्थान द्वारा आयोजित राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस समारोह में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है। कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित मुख्यालय से हमारे विभागाध्यक्ष श्री विजय कुमार, निदेशक विद्यार्थी सहायता सेवाएं, श्री वी वेंकटेश्वरन, निदेशक मूल्यांकन, मैडम भावना ध्यानी, संयुक्त निदेशक विद्यार्थी सहायता सेवाएं, और देश भर के विभिन्न क्षेत्रीय केंद्रों से वेबिनार के माध्यम से जुड़ रहे क्षेत्रीय निदेशकों, अधिकारियों और कर्मचारियों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ और हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। आज संपूर्ण भारत लौह पुरुष सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी की जयंती मना रहा है, जिसे हम राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस के रूप में आयोजित कर रहे हैं। हम सभी जानते हैं कि नव भारत के निर्माण में सरदार पटेल का योगदान अविस्मरणीय है। स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में तो उन्होंने अग्रणी पंक्ति में रहकर महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई ही थी, साथ ही देश की बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी रियासतों को एकीकृत करके एक संगठित और सुदृढ़ देश बनाने का अविस्मरणीय कार्य उन्होंने किया था। आज उनके जन्म दिवस पर हम देश की एकता और अखंडता को बनाए रखने का प्रण लेंगे और NIOS में आपसी एकता का यह सजीव उदाहरण है कि NIOS मुख्यालय और हमारे सभी क्षेत्रीय केंद्रों के सभी अधिकारी और कर्मचारी इस मंच पर वर्चुअल माध्यम से जुड़ रहे हैं और ये दिन जो है हम बहुत ही पूरी लगन से और पूरी सक्रियता से, जोश से हम ये दिन मना रहे हैं। तो आइए हम इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं और सबसे पहले मैं निवेदन करूंगी कि हमारे विभागाध्यक्ष और वहां उपस्थित सभी अधिकारी गण आए और सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी की प्रतिमा पर मालाएं अर्पण करें। इस लौह पुरुष को हमारा शत शत नमन है, जिन्होंने देश को अखंड बनाए रखने की मुहिम स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन के तुरंत बाद ही आरंभ कर दी थी और इसी कारण आज हम सब संगठित हैं, सुदृढ़ हैं और एक हैं।
Well, very pleasant morning to all of you. It's an important day, 31st October, marked as National Unity Day. And it's indeed a privilege for me to administer the oath on this great day on National Unity Day. May I request all to repeat after me. Pledge position, please. I solemnly pledge
I solemnly pledge
that I dedicate myself
that I dedicate myself
to preserve the unity and integrity and security
to preserve the unity, integrity and security
of the nation
and
also strive hard
to
spread this message
spread this message
among my fellow countrymen.
among my fellow countrymen.
I take this pledge
I take this pledge
in the spirit of unification
in the spirit of unification
of my country,
of my country,
which was made possible
by
the vision and action of
vision and action of
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
I also solemnly resolve
To
make my own contribution
make my own contribution
to ensure internal security
to ensure internal security
of my country. Thank you.
मोनिका मैडम अनम्यूट कीजिए।
जी, थैंक यू सर। अब मैं भावना मैम से निवेदन करूंगी कि वे हिंदी में हमें ये प्रतिज्ञा कराएं, कृपया।
नमस्कार। मैं सत्य निष्ठा से शपथ लेती हूँ कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करूंगी और अपने साथी देशवासियों के बीच इस संदेश को फैलाने का भी भरसक प्रयत्न करूंगी। मैं ये शपथ अपने देश की एकता की भावना से ले रही हूँ जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शिता एवं कार्यों द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सका। मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए अपना योगदान करने का भी सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करती हूँ। Thank you.
मोनिका मैडम अनम्यूट कीजिए दोबारा।
धन्यवाद मैम। अब मैं श्री एस विजय कुमार, निदेशक विद्यार्थी सहायता सेवाएं जी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वे इस अवसर पर हम सबको संबोधित करें और हमारा मार्गदर्शन करें। सर।
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार और स्वागत। A very good morning to every one of you. Respected Sri Venkateshwaran, Director Evaluation, Mrs. Bhavana Dhyani, Joint Director SSS, Mrs. Mamta Srivastav, Deputy Director Vocational, Mrs. Neelima, AD Vocational, Sri Gurudev, Deputy Director, Senior Officers of Headquarters Noida, Regional Directors, staff of all regional office across the country, friends, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would like to convey my greetings, gratitude, best wishes, happiness to everyone on this day of Rashtriya Ekta Divas, National Unity Day. Friends, Government of India is celebrating October 31st as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, National Unity Day since 2014. As a country, we have rich stories, real life personalities, and more than that, a united India. In every platform, we proudly say about India that India is the biggest democratic country. We live as united in diversity. Unity in diversity.
This is only because of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a great statesman, freedom fighter, patriot, and he is the man behind making this modern India. We are celebrating his birthday today as Ekta Divas. He was born in a small village called Nandiyar under Gujarat state. He was a barrister in law. He was Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of this great nation. At the time of independence, our country was having 565 self-ruled princely states. There was a discussion how to unite this 565 princely states in one under a name India. During the discussion, Mahatma Gandhi told Patel, the problem of the states is so difficult that you alone can solve it. This was the word of Mahatma Gandhi to Sardar Patel. The problem is very big in front of us, but only you can solve this, not anybody else. That was the faith Mahatma had upon Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and we all know that how he united these 565 princely states. In history, it is told that he used to invite these princely states, kings and queens, at his home to Delhi, and used to have personal discussion with one-to-one. So that's the way he motivated every princely state to come into the fold of India. Out of this 565, 3 initially did not accept: Junagadh, Kashmir and Hyderabad. But Sardar Patel never left them. He pursued them continuously, and he has taken administrative actions also upon these 3 princely states, and finally they also brought under the umbrella of India. And now we proudly say that India is a country having unity in diversity. So this day is known as National Unity Day. He is very sincere, highly committed statesman. History tells to us that as a barrister in law, he was practicing law regularly in courts across the country. His wife was seriously ill. She was admitted in a hospital. She was in ICU. Firbi used to go to courts regularly to defend the cases in the interest of his clients. Once it happened, he was arguing a case, cross-examining a witness, but wife was in a hospital with serious condition. During his argument, he received a small chit. Patel Sahab opened the chit and started reading what is written in the paper. The news was, your wife is no more, she is dead. But he was not shaken. He never told the judge to wind up the case because of this reason. I want to get out of the court to go and see his wife, dead body. He simply kept the chit back into his pocket. He continued his argument till the end and finished his work in the court. Not only that, he also won that particular case. So that is the level of commitment of Patel Sahab. So we call work is worship for him. So friends, it is not that we celebrate these Mahans' birthdays year after year. It is very important that we have to follow their paths. We have to get something from their qualities. We have to imbibe that in our life. Presently, how many our younger generation can tell that these great freedom fighters or these great national leaders are their role model? Hardly we don't have anybody. Our younger generation's role model are totally different. Maybe actor, actress, or anybody else. More or less they forgot these great leaders of our country. So it is our duty and responsibility as adult and elder to imbibe all these historical stories, their life, their qualities, their commitment level to our younger generations. Our younger generation also should make all such leaders as their role model, and they have to walk forward in their life. Friends, as he is a great leader, he stands tall in our heart and minds, as well as on the banks of Narmada river. That's the longest or height-wise a great statue country has made for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is also known as Bismarck of India. Bismarck is a man who united, integrated German and made German as a single country. The same way, Patel also tried his best to unite all these disintegrated parts of India and made a single India. Because of his work, we call him as Iron Man of India. He is Iron Man. And he was Home Minister. He has done this marvelous job, and we all now proud to be Indian. As a country, as an individual, we are proud about our country. So whatever we are enjoying as of now in this country, it is all because of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his vision for this great country. So we are in international arena. When you talk about Google, Sundar Pichai is an Indian. When you talk about HCL, Shiv Nadar is an Indian. When you talk about Microsoft, Nadella is an Indian. And I can tell you a long list how Indians are performing at international arena. So we all are proud to say that we belong to this great country, unity in diversity. And salutes to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for his vision and mission and giving such a wonderful country to every one of us. And really, we are thankful to Patel Sahab, and we remember him on his birthday, Ekta Divas, National Unity Day. So friends, let us try our best to imbibe his qualities, his commitment, his sincerity, or his workmanship in our day-to-day life. So we all should be united, work together as a team, as a great team in NIOS, and we should march forward in the path of such great freedom fighters, our great leaders of this country, so that we can march forward with lot of strength, lot of interest, lot of focus, and certainly we will contribute more to nation building as citizen of this country. So I take this opportunity and I wish you all once again happy Ekta Divas, and we look forward, we all work together as a single team in NIOS family and take the country, the society, in particular NIOS, to greater heights. Thank you so much for listening to me, and we look forward to take all this message in our life, and let us worship them as our great leaders, and we should try to make them as role model for our younger generation also. Thank you so much, and Jai Hind. Thank you, sir.
मोनिका मैडम, अनम्यूट कीजिए।
और कोई बात करना चाहता हो तो
धन्यवाद सर, आपके मार्गदर्शन के प्रकाश में हम लोग सब NIOS के लिए और समाज के लिए और पूरे राष्ट्र की प्रगति में अपना योगदान देने के लिए सदैव अग्रसर रहेंगे।